What you playing there?
Oh, this awesome game called Petra Channel Simulator. Check it out.
Did you know that 155 million Americans play video games? And that 42% of those gamers play more than 3 hours per week?
I do now. Where'd you hear that?
I read Petra's Be the Expert blog on video games. It's packed with tons of information like demographics of players, factors that influence gaming purchases, and the best-selling systems and accessories. You should check it out.
Yeah, maybe I will.
High score.
High score. What's that mean? Did I break it?